what I realized, ladies and gentlemen, na sabi ko may purpose ang lahat. And then you know what, that purpose, I found it here when I was invited in this kind of presentation. All I know in my heart, napakaganda. All I know in my heart, na naging first timer din ako katulad mo. All I know in my heart, nabuksan yung posibilidad sa buhay ko. All I know in my heart, nasabi ko, maybe ito na yung magbabago ng buhay ko. There are gut feelings in your life na mararamdaman mo na, oo nga no, baka ito na yung sign. Oo nga no, baka ito na yung sinabi na, ito na yung next na level ng buhay ko. Baka ito na yung pinagdadasal ko. And ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to share to you a few things about how I created my life like this. You know what? I'd like to congratulate everyone. It's because you are making success your choice. No? Dapat ganun talaga yan. Yan. No? Always remember that. And you know what? And you know what? When you want to change your life, you want to change your life, you need to change the chance to change, no? Hindi lang siya na, ay, may chance para magbago ang buhay. No? Dapat, nandyan yan, pag may opportunity, andito ka, and ang gusto ko na gawin sa buhay ko, change. You know what? In your life right now, there's something sa buhay ng tao na yun ang pinaka-motivation niya. At minsan, kinakalimutan na lang kasi hindi alam paano maaabot ang mga pangarap. Sabi ko nga, I was orphan at the age of 3. And all I know in my life, I really want to have a beautiful life ahead. Sabi ko, yung plot twist ng buhay ko, ginawa na nung bata pa ako. Sabi ko, higher creator, anong purpose nito? Bakit may ganong pangyayari nung bata pa ako? Yung plot twist, nando na agad. And you know what I realized? Ito na yun. I treat every opportunity as a blessing. Even nung in-invite ako sa ganitong presentation, sa ganitong opportunity, I treat it as a blessing. At pag tinitreat mo pala lahat na blessing, yung nangyayari sa buhay mo, definitely, gaganda ang magiging takbo ng buhay mo. And you know what? You know what? There's something sa buhay ng tao na yun ang pinaka-motivation nila. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung motivation mo na yun. Maybe, may nangyari sa life mo that sometimes, di mo alam bakit gano'n. No? Sometimes we is I feel that I need to be.
Talaga to.
Sometimes you feel na may nangyari. Maybe, ang pinaka-motivation mo to provide for your family. Or maybe, to leave a good legacy to your family. Maybe, kailangan ka na ng nanay at tatay mo. Maybe, meron na silang maintenance at hindi na nila kaya at ikaw ang inaasahan, pero inaasahan ka rin ng mga anak mo at ng sarili mong buhay at responsibilidad. Maybe, bakit mo ito gagawin? To have a good legacy to your family. Maybe gusto mo yung anak mo maka-school man lang sa magandang paaralan kasi nakikita mo ang talino naman. Maybe, kailangan mo maging role model sa mga anak mo dahil ayaw mong marinig ng mga anak mo hanggang lumaki sila na anak, wala tayong pera. Maybe you're a single mom.
Oh my God!
Maybe you're a single dad. Maybe akala mo na yung trabaho na tinahak mo as OFW, yun ang magbabago ng buhay mo, pero maybe dahil doon, nawatak ang pamilya, nawasak. Maybe it's time that you want to leave a good legacy to your family. Or maybe your motivation is to have a better life. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the things that are and could be your motivations. Walang ibang tao magsasabi sa'yo na may motivation ka sa buhay. Walang ibang magpaparealize sa inyo dahil hindi normal na pag-uusapan what are the motivations in life. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to think not in your core. Bakit ka ba nagtatrabaho? Bakit ka ba nabubuhay? Bakit gusto mo maging successful? I want you to remember that because magnegosyo ka. Kaya lang hindi mo nakuha. Tuloy, pinagtatawanan ka na. Ano ba yan? Wala ka talagang ganito. What a better life. Hindi sumagit sa mga good moments. Gentlemen, I know that you have your own motivation in life. Have your own reasons. Why do you want to succeed? Maybe, matagal ka na sa abroad. At gusto mo naman makasama yung mga anak mo dahil talaga na. Ana, taga-anak mo rin sita, manang lumaki sa iyo anak mo. Mind. Paalala mo ulit. Kung manalo sa that could be, you want to make the rest of your life a beautiful story. Baka maraming nangyari sa buhay mo. Hindi magandang decision. Want to make another difference? Want to redeem yourself? But this way, kaya ko better. Kinalak ko na. Hindi ko lang ba ako? I want you to remember. I want that your life will be a beautiful story soon. Gusto ko maging testament na ako nagtabago yung buhay ko ng AG. That I consider this as the greatest bliss in my life. Consider this as the most beautiful thing in my life. Kasi nung college ako, wala na kami pang-aral. Then I met in December when I was in college. Sabi ko, anong future ko kung taong graduate? And I want to see graduate ka or hindi. Kaya kung gumanda yung buhay. I want our ladies and gentlemen, I can still remember the time when I'm starting in this business. Iniisip ko, kaya ko kaya? May puhunan, estudyante ako noon. Pero alam mo, the best time to get things done, sinabihan ako, tsaka ka na magnegosyo. Nung high school ako, tsaka ka na magnegosyo, tapos kung sino mo na pag-aaral mo. Kaya po naging scholar ako nung high school ako. Scholar din ako nung college ako. It's because I want to help my sister. Kasi sister ko na lang nagpapaaral sa akin. 5 po kami magkakapatid. And ang dami po namin pinaaral niya. Mga bata pa kami. So sabi ko, nung time na yun, I want to help my sister. Kasi siya lahat sa amin. Nung namatay na yung mga magulang namin. And then, kaya nung college, talagang ginalingan ko sa school. Nag-entrance exam ako. Nag-exam ako for the scholarship. And then yung mga uniform ng gumagraduate sa amin, hinihingi ko yung uniform nila dahil hindi pang patayin ng uniform, wala po ako noon. Meron ako diskarte. Nakikisama. And masasabi ko that you need to do this right now. It's because, ladies and gentlemen, baka next week makalimutan mo na may motivation ka. Baka kung sa sweldo ka pa mag-join, baka maisip mo na, ay, okay na ako sa buhay ko. Because how many years? Kung walang pangarap ang isang tao, mag-ilang taon, baka next week bumalik ka sa dati mong buhay. I don't want you to experience that. Gusto ko na by next week, ka na sa mga positibo mag-isip, nangangarap, kasama ka na namin sa community, kasama ka na namin sa Zoom, kasama ka na namin na nag-i-invite at nag-share ng opportunity. Paano kung ma-invite mo ay katulad ko, isang estudyante? What if ma-invite mo katulad ko, nawala na din ng pag-asa sa buhay? Pero dahil sa opportunity na to, dahil sa AGG, dahil sa Elites Empire, doon ako ulit nagkaroon ng pag-asa sa buhay. Paano pag ganun yung ma-invite mo? And you know what? When is the best time to get things done? Next 10 years? Are you sure to lose your next 10 years again? You know what? Last week, I just purchased a very beautiful house. I just had my very beautiful house. And grabe yung life na binigay. Akala ko hanggang ganito lang. Pero pag sinipagan mo pala, you'll be able to do those things. I can say that the best time to start, sabi nila was 10 years ago. And the next best thing to start is now. Kung sasabihin mo 10 years, next 10 years, pag-uwi ko na lang sa Pilipinas, galing abroad, o kaya pag-graduate ko na lang, are you sure to lose your next 10 years again? Kung sasabihin mo next year ako mag-join, are you sure you can survive the year by having no community to remind you na magaling ka at kaya mo mag-succeed in life? Kung tomorrow, when you start tomorrow, if your environment is in poverty line, you will have negative thoughts from them. Hindi ikaw sila. Kaya mo ba mag-stand? Sabihin mo, wag yan. Di mo kaya, ganyan. Isa lang masasabi ko, mas paniwalaan mo yung mga tao naging successful. Kaysa sa mga tao, puro salita, wala namang nangyari sa buhay nila. Because those people who are successful will really tell you, go on, kaya mo yan, magiging successful ka. Pero kung sino yung mga taong mahihirap, sila ang magsasabi sa iyo, mahirap yan, huwag mong gagawin yan. That's why be careful of what you put here. Because it's gonna be the result of your destiny. Always remember to copy and listen only to successful people. When I started, marami nagsabi sa akin, huwag yan, sumali na ako ng ganyan, networking din. Walang nangyari, nag-join ako. Papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. Sabi ko, kung papunta ka, pabalik na ako. Pabalik. Kung papunta pa lang ako, pabalik ka na. Ba't di tayo kasalubong? Talagang matigas yung ulo ko. I just told them that, no. I did my research. It's already a 4-year course in LaSalle. It's a 4-year course in Chicago, Illinois. It's a unit course in LaSalle. And ang daming mga renowned na mga tao nagsasabi that network marketing is amazing. Even President Bill Clinton, even the President in the US, na-research ko rin ang may-ari ng GSW, network marketer din. Yung Golden State Warriors, yung team na yan, nakita ko na yun yung nagpapabago ng buhay ng tao. It's just that sa Pilipinas, marami lang loko-loko na nagtatayo ng kumpanya, sasabihin, dito ka ba, bago to. After 3 years, magsasara yung kumpanya. Dito ka, may payout, wala kang gagawin, isa lang iimbitahin mo. Tapos after quite some time, mawawala yung kumpanya. Pero dito, I'm telling you, 15 years na po ako member. 2 dekada na po ang kumpanya natin. We have 115 offices all over the Philippines and 50 na po yung branches that we have expanded in our company. And what's good, because this is a Filipino-owned company. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish that you start today. I suggest, because you can now seal yourself to a community full of hope and inspiration. Ladies and gentlemen, believe in yourself because nobody can do it. Sabi ko nga, there's a formula in life. Naalala ko nung high school ako. Hey, this has been such a meaningful 15 years. And if I'll go back in time, I'll still do the same thing, and I will still join, and I will still do the business and help change people's lives. You know what? I'd like to share this to you. There's a formula in life that people usually do, but they're not aware of it. You know what's that? It's the employment formula. Ito po yung nakita ko to, ito yung nagpa-join sa akin on the spot. Ito yung nagpa-join sa akin na sabi ko, ito na gagawin ko. You know what? When I learned about this employment formula, you know what? This is based on statistics. Out of 100% who did employment, 96% of them are dead, broke, or still dependent. Sa lahat na naging empleyado, out of 100%, naging empleyado buong buhay nila, out of 100%, na employment lang ang ginawa buong buhay nila, 96% of them are dead, broke, or still dependent. Only 4% lang ang nag-succeed sa buhay. Now the question is, tataya ka ba sa pustahan kung 60% pwedeng mag-fail and 40% pwedeng manalo? Baka hindi. Tataya ka ba sa pustahan na Siyempre hindi. Eh bakit ka tataya sa employment formula na 96% failed and only 4% succeeds? Ladies and gentlemen, this changed my life so much. Kaya walang nagsasabi na wala silang time para dito dahil ayaw na nilang sayangin ang oras nila doon. Sabi nila, tama na, employment formula, ito na. And you know what? Kung magnegosyo ka, ang hirap magnegosyo ngayon. Kung hindi sa Elites Empire. Kung magnegosyo ka, wala kang connection, wala kang proper puhunan. Ang 1 milyon sa negosyo ngayon, napakaliit na lang yan. Alam yan ng mga nagnenegosyo. You know what? Kaya wala rin nagsasabi na wala silang pera para dito dahil wala nang malaking pagbabago sa buhay nila doon kahit anong sipag ang meron sila. Ladies and gentlemen, make things happen. Please, pagbigyan mo yung sarili mo. Kaya walang nagsasabi na hindi nila linya to. Dahil lahat ng bagay na pag-aaralan. Ang importante, willing ka matuto para sa pagbabago ng buhay mo. Make things happen. That's why, you know what? Nung nakita to ng mga tao, nung nakita nila yung Elites Empire, they join. It's because they see Elites Empire as their only hope. Ladies and gentlemen, we want you to win in this lifetime. I want you to win in this life. Gusto ko na someday, you'll be able to make it. Gusto ko that someday, masasabi mo na, yes, nagawa ko, yes, nakuha ko. And it's because of Elites Empire. But promise us, please, do the business. Pag sumali ka, please do the business. Hindi ito magic. Nasasali ka, walang gagawin, tapos kikita, walang ganon. Walang ganon sa mundo. Kailangan mo rin talagang paghirapan. Pero ito yung paghihirap, online-online lang. Sabi nga ng mga OFW na nakilala ko, ha? Sabi ko, bakit ka kumita? Si Elijah, tinanong ko, ba't ka kumita ng 1 million in 3 months? Sabi niya kasi, sabi nila, mahirap to. Eh nakita ko, online-online lang. Nadalian ako. Kaya kumita daw siya ng 1 million in 3 months kasi mas mahirap pa daw yung ginagawa niya sa abroad. And you know, hindi lang siya, but Elites Empire created almost 200 millionaires in 5 years. We want you to win in this life. Please, do your best to win in this life. Andito kami, makakasama mo. Sabi ko nga, kung sasali ka at wala kang gagawin, wag na lang. Pero kung sasali ka at alam mo, you're ready, na unti-unti magbago ang buhay, sige, sumali ka at trabahuin natin ito. At least may pag-asa, at least may chance compared to other things na baka wala ng pagbabago sa buhay. And once that you join, ladies and gentlemen, I want to recap that you will have an account where you can monitor everything in your business, including your profits and your business activities. Kahit part-time, matututukan mo. Bakit? Ang login mo, nasa portal, you will have your own username and password. Anytime pwede mong tignan, 24/7. Second, for developing skills and character, becoming an entrepreneur. Dahil sa Elites Empire, gusto namin, hindi lang naman sa bulsa mo magbago, pero laman ang pagkatao mo, ng puso mo. Number 3, you will have mentors who will guide you along the way until you succeed. Basta promise mo, if you become successful, please have the heart for the people as well to help them. Wala sa tropang chismisan at kilaan pababa. Dito po may experience mo ang tropa mo, ang pinagchichismisan. Anong natutunan mo? Meaning, ano na ang bagong millionaire? Sino ang naging bagong millionaire sa Elites Empire? Kamusta na yung pangarap mo? Ito yung natutunan ko sa buhay. Yun ang nagiging katropa mo. At dito nagigilaan pataas. At gustong-gusto kong ma-experience mo to. Because it's once in a lifetime. Kung walang Elites Empire, hindi ko alam kung saan ka makakakita na napakaraming taong nagko-congrats sa'yo at napakaraming taong positibo sa buhay. Sabi nga, kung ang negative yung environment mo, kailangan mo dumikit sa mga positive na environment for you to change and develop who you are. You will have a curated system on how to do the business online. Huwag mo munang isipin ano gagawin ko, kailangan ba ito, kailangan ganito, no. Meron na dito kumita senior citizen eh. Nakapagpatayo ng bahay. Senior citizen, ang ginawa niya, invite niya anak niya sa left, ang anak niya sa right, pinag-online niya. O kaya na mag-computer dyan. Naging millionaire. Nakasama ko sa Maldives na nagkaroon ng free travel ang kumpanya. Nag-Dubai pa siya, kumita ng milyon-milyon. Kaya nga, kung ang senior citizen ginawa, ikaw pa kaya. Kung kanina nagsalita, ang 18 years old naging millionaire. I cannot see anything para hindi mo to gawin. Ang nakikita ko na lang posibilidad na pwede mo at kaya mo itong gawin. You will be able to learn the best strategies on how to invite people. Guys, inviting people, meron kaming training dyan kung paano mo gagawin. Ang gagawin mo na lang is gawin talaga actually. Question, ikaw ba nagsalita sa Zoom? No. Ang gagawin mo lang, o ikaw ba ang nag-share sa Zoom? Hindi rin. Ang gagawin mo lang, you will just send the link. Send the link. Malay mo, by tomorrow, member ka na, tomorrow we will have this again. You will see me again, a brand new me. It's live, and I commit myself. Tomorrow, I'll be live again for you guys. Tomorrow, like pag sumali ka tonight, tomorrow pwede ka na mag-invite. W doon! Pagkalayin sila ng pamilya nila, ngayon nagkakasama because of Elites Empire. Sabi ko nakita na taong iba yung buhay. At nung nag-Elites Empire, nagbago. You know what? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to Elites Empire. I welcome you here in this opportunity that can change your life. Yung nag-invite sa'yo, siya magdadala sa'yo papunta sa akin. And you know what? Elites Empire can make you a millionaire. Kayang-kaya kitang payamanin.